Dear student, good morning, dear student. Today in class 5 history, we will continue uh, about the eclipse chapter, that is eclipse and major temperature zones. And in my previous video, I had explained about the solar eclipse and I had asked you to draw this diagram. I hope all of you have drawn that diagram and you have understood about the solar eclipse. Now we go to the second part of this lesson, that is about the major temperature zones of the earth. So first we will see uh, this drawing, this picture of earth, heat zones of the earth. You can see over here three zones are marked: torrid zone, then north temperate zone and south temperate zone, and the north frigid zone and south frigid zone. So we have got three zones: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Now from which latitude to which latitude does this torrid, temperate and frigid zone are found? So torrid zone, you can see that it is found near the equator. You can see 0 degree. Okay. And in the north it is 23.5 degree north, that is the Tropic of Cancer, and 23.5 degrees south, that is Tropic of Capricorn. So from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn, or you can say it from equator to the Tropic of Cancer and in the north, and from equator to the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. Okay, so this area is called the torrid zone. What does the word torrid mean? Torrid means hot. This is the hottest zone because this torrid zone receives the direct rays of the sun. Okay, and so it is very hot. Now when we move north of Tropic of Cancer, okay, so you can see that north temperate zone extends up to 66.5 degree north, up to here you can see. This is called the temperate zone. And in the same way in southern hemisphere also, from Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree south to 66.5 degree south. Okay, 66.5 degree south. This is called the south temperate zone. In temperate zone, we find moderate climate, that is neither very hot nor very cold, because this zone receives the slanting rays of the sun. That is why the temperature is moderate. And then in the northern hemisphere, from 66.5 degree north to the North Pole, that is from the Arctic Circle. This circle is called the Arctic Circle. Okay, this is called the North Frigid Zone. And in the same way, over here 66.5 degree to 90 degree south, that is the South Pole, that is from Antarctic Circle. This circle is called the Antarctic Circle. From Antarctic Circle to the South Pole, this is called the Frigid Zone. The word frigid means frozen. Everything is frozen. It is very cold. Okay, the polar regions, this is very cold and this is also very cold. That is why it is called frigid zones. So this is the diagram of the heat zones. So three zones are there: torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So now we will see the lesson. I hope you have understood this diagram. You have to draw this in your copy. Okay, this is your homework. So major temperature zones of the earth. All parts of the earth do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. That is, some place on the earth receives the direct rays of the sun, so more heat, and some part of the earth receives the slanting rays of the sun, so less heat. So they do not receive equal amount of heat from the sun. Due to this reason, there are different climates and seasons. Okay, so because climate and seasons depend on the temperature, heat, okay, and rainfall. So on the basis of different amount of heat received in different part of the earth, the climate differs. The whole earth is divided into three temperature zones. These are called the temperature zones: the torrid zone, that is the hottest zone; temperate zone, that is the moderate zone, neither very hot nor very cold; and frigid zone, that is the coldest zone, which is very very cold, everything is frozen. Okay, so these are the three zones that are found on Earth. Now let's see what is torrid zone or hot zone. Torrid zone or hot zone lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn in both the hemisphere, that is 23 degree and 23 and half degree north to 23 and half degree south. Okay, so once again I will show you about the torrid zone, that is the hottest zone, 23 and half degree north to 23 and half degree south. Okay, so this zone is called the torrid zone. Now, what does the word torrid means? Torrid means hot. It is the hottest region of the earth. In the torrid zone, the rays of the sun fall vertically throughout the whole year. Why it is called the hottest zone? Because the rays of the sun fall vertically throughout the whole year. Okay, almost all throughout the year, this region, torrid region, receives the direct rays of the sun. Therefore, this zone experiences maximum amount of heat. Major part of our country comes in this zone. If we see the map of India, then you will find that major part of India comes under this zone, torrid zone. This zone comprises most of Africa, southern Asia, Indonesia, New Guinea, northern Australia, southern Mexico, Central America, and northern South America. All these countries come under this torrid zone. Now I will show you the map of India, which part of India is in the torrid zone. So here is the map of India. Okay, and we know that Tropic of Cancer. Where is Tropic of Cancer? You can see this line, this dotted line over here. I'm bringing very close so that you can see this dotted line. Okay, this dotted line is the Tropic of Cancer. Okay, that is 23 and half degree. So south of this, all this, the Indian Peninsula, this whole portion is in the torrid zone. Okay, so this is given on page number 98. You can also see in the book. Now in the world map also I will show you that which is the torrid zone, torrid region, which is very hot. Okay, so I will try to bring it very close, but if I bring it very close, then it becomes blurred. Okay, anyway, I will show you that this line, you can see this line over here that goes. Okay, this is the Tropic of Cancer. This is the Tropic of Cancer, and then this line. Okay, this dotted line. Okay, you can see this dotted line. This is the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, so in between, from this region, from this line to this line. Okay, this whole region is called the torrid zone, and all the countries that come over here, they are in the torrid zone, and they are very hot because they receives the direct rays of the sun. I hope you have understood the torrid zone, and then in the next video, then I will continue. Okay, so torrid zone, you read, today we will discuss up to here. You read this paragraph, draw this diagram, and the map also. You can take a glimpse of map of India and the world map to understand what is the torrid zone, which are the country which come under the torrid zone. Okay, thank you, take care, bye.